Hey friends, if you wish to know if someone was snooping around on your computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedures. So, obviously they can delete the logs, but here's what you can do from your end. So open the File Explorer first of all and go to the Home tab. Okay, it will show the recent history, all recently opened files and folders on your system. And if you see something unusual, then that means someone was snooping around. It will also show the date and time. The next one is to check the MS Office files. Now let's say this is a Word document here. Click on File. And then you can see in the recent section under the Home tab, all files that were recently accessed and the date modified. So date modified doesn't necessarily mean that it was modified. It also mentions the date when it was opened, and let's say even if they pressed a space bar on the document, it will mention it as modified. Okay. Now the next one is to check browser history, and I'll tell you why these two solutions, the first and third, will be very helpful. Because if a person is snooping on your system, either that person will open some file or folder, or that person will let's say try to access the internet and check something. There's nothing else that they can do. Okay, so to prevent from getting caught, they can obviously delete the history section and all, but that's a different thing. Here's what we can do from our end. So open Microsoft Edge per se, click on these three dots here and select history. It's the same procedure for all browsers, okay? And it shows that nothing has happened here, which is very suspicious because I keep using it. And let's say it was for this one, Firefox. Click on these three lines here and then select history, and then you can select you can check all the history on your system. Okay, what all was opened. Then lastly, you can check the event viewer. This is very important. Event viewer, go to event viewer and then expand it. Go to Windows logs and go to system logs. Okay, and then you will see a lot of logs here, and just check the latest time. Oh, now this will show every single event that happened even when your computer was switched off. So click on filter current log and then under all event IDs type 6005 and hit enter. This is when your system was forcibly shut down or some major issue happened or you restarted your computer. Okay, so this will tell you each and every time it was restarted, and this will help you judge a lot of things. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.